In the ancient land of Bharata, nestled between the lush valleys and towering peaks, there existed an invincibly powerful ability known as the Pashupatastra. Unlike ordinary weapons forged in the fires of iron and steel, the Pashupatastra was a celestial ability bestowed by Lord Shiva himself. Its power was not merely physical, but transcended the boundaries of the material world, making it a force of unparalleled benevolence and good. The legend spoke of a time when darkness threatened to engulf the land. Ignorance and discord spread throughout the land, clouding the minds of all, even the pure-hearted. This darkness was not just of the skies, but clouded the mind and covered up the spirit, obscuring the path to truth and wisdom. It was during this period of turmoil that the Pashupatastra emerged as a beacon of hope. The Pashupatastra could be wielded by those who had mastered the art of aligning their thoughts, speech, and actions with the pure essence of their consciousness. It was said that its true power lay not in destruction, but in its ability to illuminate. Those who had within themselves access to the Pashupatastra could see through the veils of Maya, the illusion that shrouded reality. This inner vision revealed a fundamental field that is unified in harmony, a realm of infinite possibilities where the laws of nature support activity. In the heart of a small village, a humble sage named Arundhati had attained the wisdom required to access the Pashupatastra. The journey was not one of physical battles, but of inner development. Meditation, prayer, and unwavering faith enable the mind to transcend the physical barriers of the world and access the celestial forces. One fateful day, as the village faced an impending storm of hatred and conflict among its people, Arundhati emerged from a sanctuary, stood at the center of the village square, closed the ice, and summoned the Pashupatastra. The air around shimmered, and a radiant light enveloped the villagers, calming their fears and dissolving their animosities. The Pashupatastra's energy flowed through the spirit, heart, and mind of the sage, reaching out to the hearts of every villager and the world, guiding them towards empathy, compassion, and understanding. As the light spread, the villagers found themselves shedding the shadows of their prejudices gained from the past and embracing each other in unity and peace. The storm of darkness passed, leaving behind a village renewed with love and compassion. The legend of the Pashupatastra became a symbol of hope, a reminder of the power of unity and the incredible strength that lay within pure consciousness. Arundhati continued to maintain the purity of the knowledge, teaching future generations the true essence of wielding such divine power, not to conquer others, but to conquer the darkness within oneself. Thus, the Pashupatastra remained a legend of incredible power, not just as a natural ability, but as a force of unimaginable good, transforming any darkness it touched into the light of wisdom and love.
In the lands of Bharata, where valleys cradle dreams, between the peaks that touch the sky, where the ancient legends gleam, a power lay hidden, not forged in iron steel, the gift of Lord Shiva, in whose hands the truth revealed. Shine, O light of Pashupatastra, through the veil of Maya's art. Guide us to the realm in this blessed sacred place. When darkness cloaked the hearts of the innocent and the wise, the storm of hatred gathered beneath the ancient skies. Arundhati, the humble sage, with wisdom profound and deep, called upon the ancient power for the soul's eternal peace. Shine, O light of Pashupatastra, through the veil of Maya's art. Guide us to the realm of wisdom, where compassion fills the heart. Illuminate the darkest shadows with the strength of purest grace. Unite us in love's embrace, in this blessed sacred place. A sage emerged from the sanctuary of the wise, summoned forth the radiant light into the villagers' eyes. Hatred and fear dissolved as the light touched every soul. In unity they found their strength, in love they found their goal. The storm receded, leaving hope, the village renewed in grace. A lesson learned for generations to conquer the darkness we face. Arundhati, keeper of knowledge, taught us the way to see the light that lies within us all, our true divinity. Shine, O light of Pashupatastra, through the veil of Maya's art. Guide us to the realm of wisdom, where compassion fills the heart. Illuminate the darkest shadows with the strength of purest grace. Unite us in love's embrace, in this blessed sacred place.